Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weekly dose of wellness and positivity. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're diving deep into the world of meditation and uncovering the incredible health benefits it has to offer. So grab a comfy seat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, originating from ancient traditions and cultures all around the world. But it's not just an old practice, it's a timeless one that has found its place in our modern lives. So, what exactly is meditation? At its core, meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness, or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Now let's talk about how meditation can work wonders for your physical health. First up, stress reduction. We all know that stress is a part of life, but meditation has been shown to significantly reduce stress levels, leading to a healthier, happier you. And when stress goes down, so does your risk of stress-related illnesses like heart disease and high blood pressure. Next, improved sleep. Meditation can enhance the quality of your sleep, making it easier for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. So if you're tossing and turning at night, a little meditation might be just what you need. But the benefits of meditation aren't just physical, they're mental too. Meditation has been shown to reduce symptoms in people with depression and anxiety. It's like giving your mind a break and allowing it to recharge and reset. And let's not forget about improved focus and concentration. In our world full of distractions, meditation can help you stay on track and keep your mind sharp. So, you're probably wondering, how do I get started with meditation? Well, it's actually quite simple. Find a quiet space, sit or lie down comfortably, and focus your attention on your breath, a word, or a phrase. And remember, it's okay if your mind wanders. Just gently bring your focus back. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase as you feel comfortable. Meditation is a powerful tool for enhancing your overall well-being, and the best part is, anyone can do it. So why not give it a try and unlock the serenity within? Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your own meditation experiences. Until next time, stay mindful and stay happy. And remember, the journey to a healthier, happier you starts with just a few minutes of meditation a day. Take care and see you in the next video.